Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. There are not many Ab Initio videos available on YouTube and most of them are quite old, like 4 to 5 year old. So from now onwards, we will learn about Ab Initio, its component and how to use them with example. Stay tuned and let's learn together. Yeah, as you can see here, this is the Ab Initio architecture diagram. The Ab Initio architecture consists of several key components that work together to design, execute, and manage data processing tasks. So, what is Ab Initio? Ab Initio is a powerful data processing tool. Powerful data processing tool used for ETL operation. Used for ETL operation. ETL means extract, transform and load. It widely used in industries like banking, finance, healthcare for handling large scale data integration and processing. Then coming to the GDE. GDE is a graphical development environment. It is user friendly interface. GDE is user friendly interface where we can design our data processing workflows called graphs. Here we can design our graphs. Then coming to the cooperating system. It's the backbone of Ab Initio that runs the graph we design in GD. Runs the graph we design in GDE. Okay. It handles execution, parallelism, resource management and error handling. Let me write. So आप सब नोट डाउन कर लेना. It handles execution, parallelism, resource management and error logging. Okay. For example, when we execute graph created in GDE, the cooperating system ensure all components work in a right order, split large data set for faster processing and log any error. Okay. Then coming to the EME. Enterprise Meta Environment. It is the repository where all metadata, graphs and version history are stored. It's a repository where all metadata, graphs and version history are stored. Okay. It also helps in managing changes and sharing information among team members. EME play an important role in GDE. Okay. So there are various key features of EME like metadata management. Metadata management, like it's stored and organized metadata like schemas, business rules and data mapping. For example, if our team defines a data schema for customer information, EMS stored the schema so every developer can use it without redefining it. Okay. Then EME help in version control also. If developer update a graph to include a new data source, EME logs who made the changes and when and why, allowing the track history. And it helps in, let me write down, help in metadata management, then version control. Okay, version control, then collaboration. Collaboration is like allowing multiple developers to share and access project files, then prevent conflict with feature like locking graphs or metadata while they are being edited. Then it provided security and access control also. Se- Security and access control, like manage user permission to control who can view or edit metadata and graphs, and ensure sensitive information is protected. Okay, so this is the key feature of EME. Then coming to the conduct it. So conduct it is a um, when we execute the graph, like conduct it is it schedule and automates monitor the execution of multiple graphs, automates and monitor automates and monitor the execution the multiple graphs. Okay, think of it as a scheduler. It's a scheduler for running our job at specific time. For example, if we need to run a graph every day at 2 a.m. to process sales data, then we can schedule in conduct it. It ensures the graph runs on time and send alert if it's failed. Okay. Then coming to, as you can see here in architecture, last one is data profiler. Then coming to the data profiler, data profiler perform data quality check before loading into target SYS system. Okay, so if you have any doubt in that, so you can comment and you can ask, feel free to ask. So then coming to the graph model, yeah, you can see here the first one, imagine you are making a fruit juice machine where different parts work together to turn fruit into tasty juice. This is exactly how Ab Initio processes data using graph. So coming to the graph, it's like a whole juice machine. A graph in Ab Initio is like the entire machine where different parts work together to get final juice. So graph, let me add here graph. So it's like a means processed data. Then coming to the components, it's the part of machine. Each machine part has a specific job. In Ab Initio, we have different components like extract component, transform component, filter component, join component, etc. etc. आने वाले वीडियोस में हम सब कंपोनेंट्स देखेंगे विद एग्जांपल, सो डोंट वरी. Okay, coming to the extract components, it's like a fruit basket. Bring in raw fruits like here. Let me write down. क्या करता है extract component? Bring raw data. Okay, then transform component क्या करता है? Transform component. It help in data transformation. Help in data transformation. And extract, transform, then filter component. It removes or filter unwanted data. Okay, then join component. Then join component, it joins the two components. It joins the two components. Then load component. Store the final data. Okay. Yeah. Then what is flows? Flows. In Ab Initio, we have flows like to connect component and transfer data. Connect components and transfer the data we use. So, coming to the graph model. Imagine you are making a fruit juice machine where different parts work together to turn fruit into tasty juice. This is exactly how Ab Initio processes data using graph. Coming to the graph, it's like a whole juice machine. A graph in Ab Initio is like an entire machine where different parts work together to get final juice, means processed data. Then coming to the components. There are various components are available. And components is like a part of machine. Each machine part has a specific job. In Ab Initio, we have different components. Like transform component, it's like a blender. Mixes and changes the fruit. Likewise, help in data transformation. Then filter component, it's like a strainer. It removes seeds or pulp. Similarly, in Ab Initio, it remove or filter unwanted data. Then join component, it's like a mixing two juices. It combines two ingredients. Similarly, it joins two components. Then coming to the flows, as you can see here. Yeah. Just like a pipe in the machine, move the juice from one part to another. Similarly, flows in Ab Initio connects component and transfer data. Coming to the ports, Each component has port, like the opening in machine where juice enter and exit. First one is input port where data go in, and then output port where processed data come out. Just like this juice making process, Ab Initio takes raw data, process it step by step, and deliver the final result in this structured way. Okay, coming to the next slide. Yeah, this is the basic graph architecture. Here, as you can see, data sets, components. There are various components like reformat, filter by expression, joins, etc. etc. And this one is flows. This one is data sets. Yeah, this one is basic diagram. So okay, that's it for today's video. From next video, we will learn about component. Please hit like button and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you.